I'm an apprentice engineer that works for FIRMA Engineering. We're at the eye care facility today where we're testing the FIRMA, which is a remote inspection access device for nuclear decommissioning. I like that my role is varied. You don't know what you're doing each day, which kind of keeps you on your toes. It's interesting and exciting, but it can be quite difficult.
Sean's very passionate about engineering in general, but he also brings his learning from his external activities, i.e. motorsport. He brings the creativity, the insight and another perspective. Yeah, I'm very proud of Sean being nominated for this award. He's worked hard to get to where he has. He's finished his degree. This is sort of recognition for all that work that he's put in for the last 3 years.
I aspire to work with modern materials and manufacturing solutions and to be at the cutting edge of modern technologies and be able to implement these manufacturing solutions in my designs and analysis. Completing a degree apprenticeship is no mean feat while you work, and it's very meaningful to be recognised.
My current role at the moment is within the new product introduction team on site. I create and update models and processes for the new parts coming in. I also write and update technical instructions which are used by inspectors and operators on the shop floor. I analyse part measurement data. I'm also involved with the introduction of a new measurement software. I do capability reviews and I also attend regular Women in Science and Engineering meetings. And this is all in between completing my green belt and my level 4 MVQ.
Kate is a really valuable member of my manufacturing engineering team. Not only with the skills that she brings from apprenticeships, but her general attitude and enthusiasm for engineering as a role. It's not only working in our engineering space, but actually also part of our Women in Science and Engineering push on site and a real role model to others as well.
I feel like at the MRC Training Centre I gained a lot of technical knowledge and it's really helped me at work. Specifically, I think the Industry 4 module gave me a really strong foundation of digital knowledge. In the next few years, I'd really like to be in a full-time position at Rolls-Royce. From an academic perspective, I'd also like to complete a master's degree, as I think this would really help my professional development.
So essentially what I do on the line is monitor all the assembly processes, make sure that everything's okay, all the technical specifications are met. I really enjoy it because of the social aspect and the fact that I can speak to many different people around the shop floor. And the benefit as well is with my role I can communicate with people from other countries. It's the sort of global network that we've got.
Connor's now one of the senior engineers for our power tools part of the plant, and that's been deserved through his hard work and his development from project management through the engineering functions he's done. He's also had practical experience by working in our maintenance department. Connor likes to try new things, and any responsibility you give to Connor he takes on the chin and runs with it. He's not frightened to ask if he's not sure about something, or indeed if he's not got enough work on, he's not frightened to ask for work. So for me, he's a very conscientious worker.
So my aspirations at Stanley Black Decker are to continue doing the role which I'm doing now as a resident engineer and hopefully progress deeper into that role and long term looking at becoming a product designer.